Hello, this is a screencast for NGSS Chat, basically a how-to video. First of all, NGSS Chat is for educators who are wanting to share and learn from each other about implementation of the next generation science standards. It happens every first and third Thursday in the evening, and we're going to show you how to participate in this chat. First thing you'll need to do is use the hashtag. A hashtag is a pound sign with any group of letters or numbers after it. So go up to the Twitter search bar and type in NGSS chat. Hit enter and that will start the search. A hashtag, as I mentioned, is the pound sign with a group of letters and numbers after it. The pound sign itself is not the hashtag. The hashtag must have letters and numbers and the pound sign all together. The reason we use this, or the reason this is a great way to have a discussion, is because you can have lots of people talking to each other through the hashtag. And how does that work? Well, basically, anybody who pastes or puts this hashtag into their tweet makes their tweet searchable. So when I do the search for the tag, I can see anybody who's included that hashtag in their tweet over the last however many, well, just over the last amount of period. This means I can see what people are saying about the new next generation science standards without even following them. When you start the search, it's important that you click on the all button. The top is already selected, and this top option means that the top tweets or the most popular tweets are the ones that are showing up. So if I click all, that'll show me all the tweets that have been posted recently. Alright, so the way you participate is to include the hashtag in one of your tweets. For instance, I just posted this a few minutes ago. I think NGSS standards should be used in every school. And then I included this hashtag within the tweet. And to do that, you just start a new tweet, make your comment, and then type in the hashtag NGSS chat. Now what I do after I've typed in the hashtag the first time is I select it and I copy it using the keyboard shortcut Control-C. That allows me to just paste it into the next tweet that I send. So instead of having to type it each time, I can push Control-V as in Victor and just paste it in and make my job a lot easier, not have to type it in every time. Because it is important that that hashtag is in every tweet that you send while you're participating in the discussion, so everybody can see what you're saying and it can be a true discussion. Just to give you a real quick demonstration of another hashtag, as you see here, Tricia Shelton has included NSTA 14, which is the National Science Teachers Association conferences that are going. If I click on this hashtag, it will bring up all the tweets for that particular conference. So again, it's already clicked on top, but I'm going to click on all so I can see everything. And here's the tweets from people in the last little bit about that have included the hashtag NSTA14 in their tweet. So now I can reply to these people or ask questions to these people, and that's a great way to use this. So if I wanted to participate in whatever's being said here or have my tweet show up in this discussion, even though it's not an organized discussion, it's just a flowing hashtag, that I would include NSTA14 in my tweet, and my tweet would pop up here. And you can try this on your own as well. Alright, so now back to the NGSS chat. NGSS chat follows the traditional model for discussions, and that is the Q1, Q2, A1, A2 format, where the moderators, and for NGSS chat, the moderators are Tricia Shelton and also Fred Endy. They're the ones that organize the chat and also write the questions that will be asked during the discussion. So they'll be the moderators who want to pay attention to. And what they'll do is when they're asking questions, they'll include a Q1 for question 1, a Q2 for question 2 in the tweet. And our job will be then to answer those questions. And to answer their question 1, you're going to include A1 in your answer. For question 2, obviously you'll include A2. And that helps people understand what it is you're talking about when you give your answer. Otherwise, what you would need to do is to include the question in your answer, and that takes up valuable space because you only have 140 characters. If you type more than 140 characters in your tweet, it will go over, and I'll demonstrate. Fortunately, Twitter has a little character counter down here so you know where you're at. So if I were to paste in something kind of long, you can see that I'm over my count by 122 characters. So that's too much. And you'll notice that it won't allow me to tweet unless I have less than 140 characters there. So if I get rid of those extra characters, then it'll let me send up the tweet. And you'll see it post here momentarily. So Tricia and Fred will be asking the questions, and then you try and respond to the questions using the appropriate A1, A2, depending on what number question you are on. Now, this is also considered to be an EdCamp style discussion where back conversations, side conversations, and tangent conversations are encouraged. If someone says something that you want to explore or comment on, then you're encouraged to do so. And the way you would do that is hit reply on their tweet, and then you may continue to talk about whatever it is, even if it's off topic. And for instance, I like shoes, and I'm going to say this is the video demo so they know what I'm doing. Then what do? I also include the hashtag, and I accidentally messed that up. So those conversations are encouraged because we want there to be real collaboration and understanding and talking and discussion in this chat. Maybe once in a while someone will make a comment that you think is significant or important and you want to share it. So to do that, you're going to hit the retweet button, and this will send the comment back up so more people can see it, and some of your followers will see it as well. Maybe it was something significant that you feel is important to education or the discussion that you're having. So retweet is a powerful tool. Alright, so to wrap up, keep the hashtag search running, and you can see that I've got it running here, and new tweets will pop up, so you click those buttons. If you click over here on your messages or notifications, you'll lose the search, but that's okay. You just come back over here, type it in again, it'll bring you back to the search. Include the hashtag in all your tweets, even if it's a side conversation. That's part of the overall discussion of NGSS chat. Questions will come up with Q1 and Q2 or Q3, and then you answer with A1, A2, or A3, depending on the question number. Side conversations are encouraged. Retweet things you think are important, and use the reply button to respond to people's comments. But make sure to always include the hashtag. Anyway, I hope this helps in understanding how to participate in a Twitter chat, specifically NGSS chat.